Hey friends, so I was doing some work for a sweet client and happened to notice that her 4 blog posts at the bottom that she's got featured, one of them wasn't showing if I wasn't logged in. You'll notice in this window here, I'm logged in as an administrator, but over here I open an incognito window and I'm just like a regular visitor, and one of her blog posts disappears. So I went and took a look and she has it marked as private. And she may want it marked as private, but just in case you have one that's magically disappearing, I wanted you to be able to know what's going on. And how you can do that is just if you go to Edit, Visibility, you have Private, you have Password Protected, and Public. If it was Password Protected, like if I just put like, hi, I'm going to update that real quick just so you can see what would happen. And then I'm going to undo it real quick too. So when it's Password Protected, it appears, but when I try to click on it, I have to enter a password. So I'm going to go ahead and put that back in private. And of course, public is just everybody can see it. But if it's private, that means only administrators are going to see it live on the site. So now if I come back here, again, I'm not logged in here. So this, when I reload it, is going to disappear. And I can only see it as if I'm logged in as an administrator. So that's just a little FYI about some private posts. Hope that helps.